We got a Cuisinart frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker, the 1.5 quart. We're going to go ahead and make us some chocolate ice cream really quick. It's pretty simple to do. First you go ahead, get a mixing bowl. So 2 cups of heavy cream. 1.5 cups of milk. 1/2 cup of sugar. This is the important part if you want chocolate ice cream. Otherwise, you just omit the chocolate. And this is unsweetened cocoa powder. And you'll want 1/2 cup of that. And some vanilla extract. We get ours from Costco, so we get the 16-ounce container of the pure vanilla. So we'll put in 1 teaspoon of this. And now you mix it up really well until the sugar's dissolved. And with these Cuisinart, the bowl, you keep it in the freezer for 24 hours so it freezes solid. It's got a gel inside of it that you want to get very cold. So then you put the ingredients into that and put it in the mixer and you let it run for 20 minutes. And in 20 minutes you should have some soft freeze ice cream, which you can either eat then or put it in the freezer to harden it up a little bit. Here's the bowl, nice and cold. It has a little slotted hole in the bottom that fits in the slots on the bottom of your power unit. And you just go ahead and put your product inside. And this little piece right here goes inside the lid right there. There's the top. And you set it down in there. It's got a little pin right there to lock it down. Now we're going to go ahead and plug this in and get it started. Alright. Once you get it started, the drum sits there and spins, and the blade sits still because the top is holding that still, and it is mixing. Alright, we'll give it 20 minutes and we'll check back. We are now at 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and check that out. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Yummy. Nice soft freeze ice cream. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and shut it down and pull it apart. Look at that. Delicious. got some nice soft freeze ice cream right there. Alright, thanks for watching.